When I see any kind of natural beauty, I feel better because it's totally created by our Lord. So, our Lord is the greatest. So, when I see natural beauty, it makes me happy. That's why when I get any free time, I come in a beautiful place for seeing natural beauty. That's why today I have come here for seeing this kind of natural beauty because it makes me happy. So as you can see, this is a road. That's why some people are going by buying something in their destination. As you can see, a bird is flying and searching something because they like eating fish. That's why he is sitting on the bamboo and he is searching fish. When he gets any fish, he take and flee away. That's why he is sitting on the bamboo and waiting for fish.